Hey everybody! In this video, we will be discussing the DIY crochet kits from Dollar General that are currently 10 cents. So, if you bought these kits, this might be of interest to you because they don't come with a pattern. So, just keep watching. Hey y'all, I just wanted to share a quick little review and maybe some help for y'all who have purchased the DIY crochet kits at Dollar General. Now, if you have opened your crochet kit up and you have been very disappointed because first off, we don't even get the right eyeballs. They're giving us googly eyes, y'all, googly eyes. So, I started reading the directions and I realized there are no directions. There is no pattern. They just tell you to make a chain, but they don't tell you how long the chain is. They don't tell you what crochet stitch to use. And they don't give you enough yarn. Because tell me how I'm supposed to crochet with this. So, if you have purchased these kits and you are frustrated because doesn't even tell you what millimeter your hook is that it gives you, and this little tapestry needle kind of looks like an IV catheter. But hey, if you are still interested in trying to figure this out, fear not, because I have searched the web to find us free patterns for these items. And feel free to use your own yarn for these things, y'all, because I don't know if there's enough yarn in these because they never include how large to make your piece, how many rows to include, how many chain stitches to even start with. So feel free to use your own yarn if this isn't enough, because I'm not sure if it will be with these patterns I'm finding online. I'm just very disappointed because I opened up 2 of these so far. Both of them have googly eyes instead of the actual nice eyes. And so far, the frog and the penguin, neither of them actually have any information on how to create it. It's telling you you will sew 8 crochet loops for the first row and 10 loops for the second row. Like, none of this makes sense. You're not telling me whether I need to increase, decrease. You're not telling me my crochet stitch. I'm just very upset with this. I mean, but I paid $0.25, so I guess you get what you pay for, right? I don't know. Anyhow, if you are wanting to make these and you just don't know what to do or where to start because it does not include instructions, then I've got you covered. I have put together a list of free patterns that go along with these items, but again, I don't know if there will be enough yarn in here because that's not the original pattern. Dollar General just didn't include it at all. They were just like, here, do this, sew this, stuff this, make a crochet loop, you're done. So, if you're interested in that, I'm going to go open up the rest of these, make sure I'm right, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I opened up the turtle, and it's just as vague on the instructions as all the others. For example, here's how it starts. Once you've made the required length of chain, you should be left with something like this. But here's the thing, they never give you the length of chain. They never say how many to start with. Okay. So, at least here they tell you you're working in the round. Alright, y'all. So, you can see I'm just frustrated with this. So, I'm going to put together all of the patterns for you and upload it so that you guys maybe can get started on this, or just so maybe you can print out actual instructions if you were planning on giving these as gifts. Alright, y'all. So, I have found some actual free patterns for these items. I'm going to link them in the description, so if you bought these kits and you're just confused because you do not have any idea what the pattern is, I'm going to include those for you, and you can just use those patterns to complete these projects. Some of them are even cuter than these. So just check the description box if you'd like to make these. I figured I would try to help y'all out because I'm sure someone else who bought these kits are just as frustrated as I am because there's no pattern. Alright, y'all, so pattern is included in description. I thank y'all very much for watching, and I hope this will help you tremendously. Bye, guys.